Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here. Ho ho ho! Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to Santa's Workshop TV. Today we got something monstrously fun to talk about. Godzilla toys. Godzilla has been stomping through movies for more than 60 years. And now, you can bring all that excitement home with Godzilla toys. From action figures to playsets, there's a Godzilla for every fan. Some Godzilla toy sets even come with tiny cities and other monsters, so you can stage battles that shake the floor. Well, almost. And for older kids, or even moms and dads, there are collectible Godzilla figures. They look amazing on a shelf, and some even light up or make sounds. So whether you love to play, collect, or just watch Godzilla stomp, these toys make a roaring good gift for Christmas. Ho ho ho! Be sure to let me know if Godzilla is on your wish list this year. Thanks for joining me here at Santa's Workshop TV. Don't forget, Christmas is the season of joy, giving, and maybe even a little Godzilla fun. See you next time, boys and girls. Ho ho ho! Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until we meet again, stay jolly, be good, and keep the spirit alive all year long.